Hi, my name is Christine. Welcome back to my channel. Today I will be doing a Valentine's Day edition video. I'm going to be showing you something that I purchased today, and we'll also be eating Dunkin' Donuts today. So what I ordered from Dunkin' Donuts is the chicken and roasted red pepper wrap from Dunkin' Donuts. And I've never tried this before, so I'm really looking forward to tasting it. This is what it looks like. Wow, it's very neatly wrapped. And this is the arts and crafts kit that I bought today. It's a Hello Spring Suncatcher kit. So I was gonna paint it and let you watch me paint it, but I think I'll save this for later. This is a sun catcher that I bought for Valentine's Day, and it comes with 3 different color paints. It comes with red, dark pink, and light pink. So this is a cute, very cute sun catcher that I purchased. It also includes a paintbrush too. And if you want to know where I got it, I bought it at Kohl's department store. That's where I went today. I went to Kohl's today. So let me take a bite of this chicken wrap and tell you how it is. This is a roasted red pepper and chicken wrap. The chicken is kind of, the texture is like not very chunky. It tastes more like a chicken salad, sort of. It's actually not too bad. I kind of like it. A little bit bready. So if you're on a low carb diet, you might want to avoid this. I like the texture. It's nice and soft. Very soft, actually. So if you like soft food, this might be a good choice. It's got a cheese sauce in it too. Very cheesy taste, which I like. It tastes sort of like, I can't explain it. It's quite good. It's really, I think you should try it if you like soft food. And if you don't like food that's too crunchy. So, how's your day going today? My day is going pretty good. I got up early today. As soon as I got up, I went to Burger King and I had a burrito junior, breakfast burrito junior. And then a little bit later, I was getting a little bit restless, so I decided I would go out again. And so I found my way over to Dunkin' Donuts and I got this chicken wrap, chicken and roasted red pepper wrap. The peppers are actually green peppers. They're not red as well. So if you were looking for, like, if you were afraid that you were going to get heartburn, this is actually a good choice because you might not get bad heartburn after you eat it. I think the cheese is really good. It's like, in Spanish they call it queso blanco. This is more like a queso blanco pepper jack cheese rather than a yellow American type cheese or nacho cheese. It's actually really, really tasty. I didn't expect this at all. I expected a different flavor, a different texture, and a different taste. And so I really like this. It's got a queso blanco cheese, like a white style cheese, with roasted green peppers and a very, very tasty chicken that's very finely mashed and diced, giving it like a very soft texture. I spent probably about $5 or $6 because I also got a drink today. I got my unsweet iced tea and they gave me some Splenda on the side. I also like the mango refresher when I go to Dunkin' Donuts. That's what I normally get. This is so good. I could just eat the middle, take what's in the middle, take it out, eat that, and leave the rest on the side if I was going to do like a low carb. Dunkin' Donuts did an awesome job on this. Very, very good. I really like it. I would give it a 10 out of 10. This gets a 10 out of 10 from me. And now it's time for me to go and work on my Valentine's Day craft. I will show you how it came out in the next video. That way you could see what I was working on in my spare time. Anyway, I just want to say thank you so much for watching my video, and you have a great day. Bye.